Hello, I'm Robin from Boatshed and today I'm glad to present you this 35 feet long catamaran. Let's start by the engine test. We have here two Iveco i4 of 250 horsepower and directly cooled with approximately 2000 hours. It starts quickly. Let's have a look to the exhaust. Now let's start the inside tour. Here is the dining area where you can easily sit at 6 with chairs. Here we have the kitchen of the boat with 3 gas burners, a fridge and a sink with cold water. The headroom here is 1.93 meters. Here a device to control the charge of the batteries and also an electrical leakage detection device. Here is the first of the 2 cabins of the boat, placed in the floats of the boat. We have here a headroom of 1.90 meters. As you can see, there is linings and paintwork in the 2 cabins of the boat. That explains the attractive price of this sport catamaran. We can see that all the superstructure of the catamaran and its hull is in aluminium, which allow it to weigh only 7 tons. Under the floor of the saloon there is a storage place where there is the batteries. In this boat there is a total 4 batteries of 200 ampere each, 2 for the services and 2 for the engine start. In this storage place there is plenty of space to install equipment, and for example a hot water tank could be a good improvement. In the starboard float there is the manual toilet and a little basin. Just after there is the second cabin of the boat. We have in this cabin a headroom of 1.87 meters. If you're interested in this 35 feet long catamaran in aluminium, don't hesitate to contact me, Robin from Boatshed. I look forward to hearing from you.